In this tutorial, I will show you how to make social media design using Canva. Press Create a Design. Select Instagram. Post 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to Element. Select a rectangle for the background.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
Select this gradient color.
During the holiday party,
From the style, choose the direction of color. Lock the layer.
Romeo was
Add the text box.
in the garden. Saturday was
Write down the brand name.
parking lot. Gave it all
Select the font name. I use this one as bold, font size 88. Press Alt and drag to duplicate the name.
down a street to get what we can. Crawl up the walls
Make them as a group and rotate it like this.
to the man.
Make the opacity 31.
Sing the prominent angle
Then back to the text tool. Write the first headline.
of the triangular man who always had the
Resize it to fit the page. From the color tool, I selected white color. Go to Effects and choose the style with 20 for the intensity. Press Alt and drag to duplicate the title. Choose from the color red color. Now go to Elements. Search for pizza from the box. Choose one, then resize it like this. Make a duplicate. Flip horizontal and make a little smaller. Now back to Elements. Select a circle. From the colors, choose Gradient. Select two red colors. From Style, select the direction. Write pizza size.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented.
Then write the price. From the toolbar, choose color and size.
Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking.
Now from Elements, search for green leaf.
All we got was so
Make it small like this and duplicate it. Make it as a group. Now send it behind the circle. Make a duplicate of the put behind the other circle, and another copy behind the title. Now we need a call to action button. From the text box, write order now. Make it white. Now choose a rectangle and resize it as follows. Send it behind. Now we will write down the number. Now from elements, choose shadow. Put it under the pizzas. That's great. Save design and share it. That is all for today. See you in another tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe.